So this video will explain the motivation for why we need predicate logic in the first place. So recall the kangaroo argument. I talked about this at the beginning of the class. The argument goes, all kangaroos can fly. Karan is a kangaroo. Karan can fly, therefore Karan can fly. So I use this as an example of an argument that's valid. And it clearly is. If all the premises are true, then the conclusion must also be true. But how would we translate this argument? Well, let's give it a try. So the statement, all kangaroos can fly, I'm going to use an F to stand for all kangaroos can fly. And then Karan is a kangaroo, I will translate that as K. And then finally, Karan can fly, I will translate that as C. So the problem is that when you look at the translation of this argument, it's not valid. It would be very possible for F and K to both be true and C to be false. So in propositional logic, this argument is invalid, and that's because propositional logic can't capture the structure of the argument that makes this valid. So we need something, so it can't capture the connections between the premises. The fact that the first premise is talking about kangaroos, about all kangaroos, and the second premise is talking about a specific kangaroo, and then making other conclusions about that specific kangaroo on that basis. So we need predicate logic in order to get at the structure of this argument.